Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in the middle of the match. Pause now and open Settings. Once in Settings, move straight to Audio or Accessibility. Mortal Kombat 1 places narration controls there to avoid clutter. Make sure you've installed the latest update, because developers sometimes shift the toggle between audio and accessibility. Navigate with the D-pad or mouse and highlight the relevant category. You don't need to change gameplay options yet. Focus on finding the narration, commentary, or voice descriptions, toggle so you can switch it off immediately. Now that you're in the right menu, scan for labels like narration, voice descriptions, commentary, or accessibility narrator. Developers use different names. Select the toggle and set it to off. If the menu asks to apply or save, choose that option so the change persists. If there's a separate narrator volume slider, drop it to 0% instead. Once done, back out one menu level and check in short gameplay to verify the narration has stopped. This confirms both the toggle and the save step worked correctly. Finish by returning to gameplay and immediately testing a cutscene or fatality to confirm narration is off. If the voice remains, make sure you saved settings, then restart the game or reload your player profile. Some platforms need a reload for audio switches to take effect. If restarting doesn't help, reset accessibility to defaults, check for a pending update, or reinstall the game as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: check console/OS accessibility overlays. System-level narrators can mimic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.